Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A company is developing a corporate code of ethics. Which factor has the greatest influence on the employee ethical behavior? Internal audit procedures. Internal audit procedures are not part of developing a corporate code of conduct. They're a great resource to have. You want to have internal audit procedures to have checks and balances, but that's not part of developing the code of conduct. Industry regulation. Well, industry regulation, they set up the minimum requirement. They're not going to help you in developing your corporate code of conduct. You may look at industry regulation to make sure you're meeting the industry regulation, because you don't want your corporate code of conduct in violation of those, but those are the minimum. I would say I'm not going to, A and B, they're not the best answers so far. Let's look at, say, top management ethical leadership. Yes, when you're developing a corporate code of conduct, and when you have one, the greatest influence on the employee behavior, it's always the tone at the top. Top management ethical leadership. This is has the greatest influence. External consulting advice, that's good, but it doesn't matter as long as top management don't show their seriousness. Employees don't follow the rules. That's the strongest message that you can send through top management, the tone at the top. Now, if you're taking this MCQ on Farhat Lectures, you can ask AI to help you explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. And if you're studying for your CMA exam, don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional MCQs, AI resources, AI multiple choice questions, video multiple choice questions, resources that will help you prepare. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.